Your muscles don't grow while you're working out. They grow after. And once you understand what's really happening inside your body, your entire approach to fitness can change. Every time you lift weights, do resistance training, or push your body close to its limits, you're creating tiny amounts of damage in your muscle fibers. These are called micro tears. It might sound like something you'd want to avoid, but this is actually the key trigger for muscle growth. Your body sees this damage and responds by saying, "We need to rebuild this stronger than before." As soon as your workout ends, your body shifts into recovery mode. This is where the real progress begins. Your immune system rushes to the damaged muscle tissue, clearing out waste and starting the repair process. Think of it like renovating a house first. You remove the damaged parts, then you rebuild it stronger and more durable. During this repair phase, your body fuses muscle fibers together, increasing their thickness and strength. This process is called muscle hypertrophy. Over time, as you continue training and recovering, your muscles gradually become bigger and more powerful. But here's the important part. Your body can't rebuild muscle out of nothing. It needs fuel. That's where nutrition comes in. Protein is one of the most critical components for muscle growth. When you eat protein-rich foods, your body breaks them down into amino acids. These amino acids are like building blocks that your body uses to repair and grow muscle tissue. Without enough protein, your recovery slows down and your results suffer. Carbohydrates are just as important. They replenish your energy stores, allowing your body to recover and perform better in your next workout. Healthy fats also play a role by supporting hormone production, which directly impacts muscle growth. Speaking of hormones, your body releases powerful chemical messengers that help control how effectively you build muscle. One of the most important is testosterone. It plays a major role in increasing muscle size, strength, and recovery by boosting protein synthesis. Another key hormone is growth hormone. This hormone supports tissue repair, helps build lean muscle, and even assists with fat loss. Your body releases more of it during intense exercise, and importantly, during deep sleep. If you're constantly training without allowing your body to recover, you're actually limiting your progress. Muscle growth doesn't happen when you're lifting weights. It happens when you're resting and recovering. Sleep is especially important. During deep sleep, your body increases the release of growth hormone and focuses on repairing damaged tissues. Poor sleep can reduce your recovery, decrease performance, and slow down muscle growth. Now let's talk about something almost everyone experiences after a tough workout: soreness. That stiff, achy feeling you get a day or two later is called delayed onset muscle soreness. This usually happens when you challenge your muscles in a new way, like increasing weight or trying a new exercise. While soreness can indicate that your muscles are adapting, it's not required for growth. It can still build muscle even if you're not sore after every workout. What matters most is that you're consistently challenging your muscles. And that leads us to one of the most important principles in fitness: progressive overload. Progressive overload means gradually increasing the demands you place on your muscles. This could be lifting heavier weights, doing more reps, improving your form, or increasing intensity. If you keep doing the same workout with the same weight, muscle growth slows down. Your body is incredibly efficient. It only grows when it has a reason to. Another interesting part of muscle growth is how your nervous system plays a role. When you first start training, a lot of your strength gains come from your brain learning how to activate your muscles more effectively. This is called neuromuscular adaptation. So early on, you're not just building muscle, you're also becoming more coordinated and efficient in your movements. Over time, as your muscles grow, your strength continues to increase. Now here's something important. More isn't always better. Training too often without enough recovery can lead to overtraining. This can cause fatigue, decreased strength, lack of motivation, and even injury. Your muscles need time to repair and grow. Without that time, you're just breaking them down over and over again. Hydration is another key factor that often gets overlooked. Your muscles are made up largely of water, and staying hydrated helps transport nutrients to maintain performance and support recovery. Even mild dehydration can impact your strength and endurance. So if you want to maximize muscle growth, it comes down to a few key things: train hard, eat well, rest properly, and stay consistent. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more bite-sized videos, please like and subscribe for more.